Hi, I'm Coach Rick Wiltse at the Kegel Training Center. I've got a couple of questions for you. How often do you practice changes in ball speed? How often do you change ball speed in competition? My experience is that people don't change their speed away from their normal speed, which is their favorite one, very often. And speed is a powerful factor in ball motion, a powerful factor in adjusting to lane conditions. So learning to change your speed about a mile an hour faster or a mile an hour slower than your regular speed is something I definitely recommend you do in practice. And also assess that in competition as well to make sure you match up to the lane conditions you're bowling on. Now, the way to change speeds can vary from bowler to bowler. You can move up on the approach to slow down, move back to speed up. You can hold the ball higher, you can hold the ball lower. I found that bowlers are all different in that respect, so try these different aspects of changing speed, and you'll find that you'll be able to match up to lanes much, much better and get better ball reaction and ball motion and better pin carry. So, my point is, speed. It's a very important factor in bowling. Don't leave it out of your practice sessions.